How to fix not receiving text messages on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Here we go. Now scroll down. Navigate to the option of Messages. Once you find it, open it. Now here you're going to find this option of iMessage. Make sure you have enabled for this option. In the case you have already enabled for this option, disable it. Now wait for a minimum of 60 seconds and then toggle it on. Once you enable for this option, you will see this option Send and Receive. Click on it. Here you will find two sections. You can receive iMessages to and reply from. Check in for phone number as well as Apple ID. Likewise for the option Start New Conversation from, you can set it to your email address or your phone number. Once you do that, you can head back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution. Go back to the main page of settings. Now navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Forgot this network. Give a fresh restart to your router, rejoin it and check whether your problem has been fixed or not. Heading towards last solution, head back, scroll down, click on the option of General, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then click on Reset. Click on Reset Network Settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process to reset network settings. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. Well, this way you can easily fix not receiving text messages on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.